Hey YouTube, me, JC number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Back with a brand new video for a hobby shop adventure, and today I'm at Niagara Falls and I'm at Tiny Railroads. Model trains, of course. Yes, this is in a different place. Well, yeah, but there's also another Tiny Railroad hobby shop store, but I'll get to that right away. But first, I want to take a look around in there. Right after I just take a picture of this, I just wanted to take a shot of it. Now, open. Of course. Hobby store, yeah. And in we go. Oh, hello. All right. They certainly got everything here, and even Jurassic Park. A T-Rex got a goat in his mouth. It's already eaten it. Ah, this I like. I'll find better use for this soon enough. Oh, and then get to the cash register here. And these must be G-scale trains. This hobby store is just barely getting started. Free. Free magazine there. Breakdown crane. That could be useful. Is there anything else useful? Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Must be a piggy bank. Well, this must be a little statue. Only $4. Don't cut the bum. Perhaps I can find better. No. Not much customer here, but a very nice place there. Ooh. Use track. Oh. This is new.
Yeah, and I gotta figure out what
$20.
yard size there, Yeah. I like to put one of the seating in there.
I'll find some use for this soon enough. I'll take it.
Breakfast?
Oh, nice.
Breakfast.
Uh,
Clean. 'Cause, I'm watching some stuff on when I'm using too, but I got the sound turned off. You know, so people don't hear trains blowing whistles and stuff like that. Okay, you know, some people just, I guess, don't know. Not everybody wants to listen to hardware sounds.
Really? I thought they did.
Yeah, wait. But, nice. Looking good. Well, this is very amazing. Not that I need it, but I'll get back to you while I'm done recording this. Okay. Now to stop the video right there before I shop. Well, it's not really much, but I got everything I might need for the next layout, especially my own. And this bridge makes a perfectly good realism, if you ask me. Yeah. Till then, yes, don't wanna overdo it on the first day. So, and I almost had right now. But maybe next time when they get a few things they need for this railroad hobby shop, I'll see to it to be prepared to go shopping. Well, now it's time for me to go, and it's time for me to say goodbye. And there are my brothers. Here's again preparing to take these for a drive. Till then, I'll catch you in the next video, and I'll see you again real soon. Goodbye, and thank you very much for watching. JC number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 out. Like and subscribe.